Herdr versus Orca. Which AI agent orchestrator is better? Trying to decide between Herdr and Orca for running multiple AI coding agents. In today's video, we're comparing these two tools to see how they differ, what each one does best, and which type of developer might benefit more from using them. Let's start with Herdr. Herdr takes a lightweight, terminal-first approach. It's built as a Rust application that runs directly inside your existing terminal, instead of relying on a separate desktop shell. That makes it especially appealing if you already prefer command-line workflows and want your AI agents to stay close to the tools you use every day. It also supports a socket-based setup that allows agents to create panes and interact with their output directly. So, the overall experience feels fast, native, and designed around terminal power users. Orca takes a very different approach. Instead of focusing primarily on the terminal, Orca provides a dedicated graphical workspace for managing multiple coding agents. One of its standout features is execution, allowing a single prompt to be sent to multiple agents working independently, separate Git work trees. That makes it useful when you want to test several implementation ideas and compare the results. Orca also puts more emphasis on visual tools, including side-by-side comparisons, diff viewing, and integrations designed to make multi-agent development easier to manage. So, if you prefer seeing everything organized inside a graphical interface, Orca may feel more natural. When it comes to choosing between them, there's no universal winner. Herdr makes more sense if you want a lightweight terminal workflow, persistent sessions, and keyboard-focused control. Orca is the stronger choice if you want a dedicated visual environment, parallel agent testing, and easier side-by-side comparison. So the best option really depends on how you work. Choose Herdr for simplicity and terminal control, or Orca for a more visual multi-agent development experience. If this comparison helped you, like, subscribe, and